Welcome to the brand new tool. Now, when we look at our tool range, when we look at our dies, what the girls have been saying is we're missing a couple of items. And this here is what we seem to be missing within our tool range. This is a quilling tool. Now, it's a really nice quilling tool. So if we have a look at it, a quilling tool is a little split down the middle, right down that center, that allows us to be able to quill with a piece of card. Now you've got that really fine one if you want it really tight, and then on the other end you've got a large one, which I have to say is brilliant because it gives us that larger quill effect. Now a lot of people say, why do I need a quilling tool? You can do so many different things with a quilling tool. You can hold your card, for instance. So this is just one of our little tatty roses. I could just put that through there. I've not got my eyeballs on, so I can't see a thing. There we go. So you can actually hold things. So maybe you just want to hold the card. But in this instance, we are just going to quill one of those little flowers, and you can see how it's going round, and we're going to take it all the way to that center little item. All the way around there. Into the center, take it off, flat bottom it, let it release out, and you have got the most perfect little tatty rose in there. So welcome to the brand new tool, our quilling tool.